So you're thinking about buying the Varnock S1 camera, maybe because you saw an ad promising Ultra 4K HD quality at a crazy low price. Before you hit that buy button, let's talk, because what I found might just save you some serious cash and a major headache. First, let's talk shipping. Tons of buyers on Facebook and Reddit say their Varnock cameras just never showed up. They paid, got a tracking number, and then nothing. Emails and texts to customer service? Total silence. And if you do get your camera, brace yourself. Some folks say it arrives defective, and then you're told to ship it back to China at your expense, plus a 30% restocking fee. That's often more than the camera itself. The company claims only a 1% return rate, but independent reviews tell a very different story. And don't be fooled by those glowing testimonials on their website. Real users are reporting fake tracking numbers and impossible returns. But let's talk about the camera itself. Experts like Savage Reviews on YouTube have called out the Varnock S1 as just another generic drop-shipped product. You can actually find the same camera on Amazon under a bunch of names, usually for way less money. The 4K Ultra HD specs? Most buyers say it's nowhere close, just old sensors and blurry video. And if you thought you'd just use the app to fix things, think again. Loads of people say the camera won't connect and support can't help. Bottom line, if a deal looks too good to be true, it probably is. Before you spend your hard-earned money, check out independent reviews and stick with reputable tech brands.